Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Thursday, November 20th. Gonna be doing a market review real quick and also a trade recap as well. So, uh, going into today, let's see what we had overnight. Thursday. Bro, why does it always bring me over here? Thursday, 9 a.m. Okay, so coming into market open, we had our Monday high I was looking at personally, but we also had some. Bro, why does it keep bringing me here? We also had Asia highs. We had relatively equal highs right here, these two that we already swept though, going into 9. And we also had this high I was looking at. And then I knew we had a order block right here as well as a fair value gap right here. But I did want to see the Monday high get taken out, I'm not going to lie. But so going into market open, I'm expecting to be really bullish. I'm not looking for any of these lows to get hit yet, right? None of these lows are going to get hit because let's look at the higher time frame. The higher time frame is telling us we're bullish. On the hourly, we made this huge displacement up, retrace, displacement up. So what do we expect? Retrace, displacement up if we're bullish, right? So I'm always expecting like possibly a retrace and then more displacement to the upside, right? Going into here, we already had a little retrace. 15-minute is also bullish. Let's look at 15-minute, right? This very clear structure to the upside. So what am I expecting? Small retrace right here, and we seem to be pushing up already. So there's our retrace. So I'm not expecting us to really want to start pushing down because this is the bullish market structure right here, and I'm aiming for Monday's high. So looking over here, we're bullish. We took out this high that I was already looking at though, so I actually need to pull up my play. I totally forgot where I entered and stuff. Okay, cool. So I was aiming for this high. I thought it was pretty obvious. So we got a big retrace down, right? But I'm still bullish. So I'm expecting we do have a fair value gap here to the downside, right? But probably people took this to the downside. But I wouldn't have been bearish here because if we're looking at, if we're trying to stay in bullish market structure, it looks like this, right? Hold up. It looks like this. So we didn't break this low yet. So I'm still bullish to these highs. I'm still bullish to at least this high right here to continue bullish market structure. So we didn't break this low, so we're still in bullish market structure. It's still confirming to me we're in bullish market structure. So I dropped down to the 1 minute, or actually I was on the 5 minute. I was like, okay, I want to see this this fair value gap right here get inversed because I don't want us to push the downside here unless we're bearish. So we close above it right here, and then enter off of it on the retrace because we close above it. So it's telling me that we probably want to continue bullish. And then I put my take profit at this high. This is the safest high because even if we don't want to take this Monday high, we just go through it and then respect bullish for a little and then start changing character to the downside. So I got tapped into it right there, and then we go to that, and then boom, that's why I have my TP right here, right? And because of this right here. Now we're going to want to flip to the downside. We don't have to come take this high. It's not like I have to. We're trying to react to the market. We're not trying to predict it. So here we still look bullish technically, right? Because we're just making this down move. We could just go like this. So what confirms to us that we're bearish after we take this low right here? Now, if you're bearish, you can look for a retrace up. I don't think we get one though. I fell asleep right after because I already took my play and my macro's done. But now you can look for London lows to get hit. All these lows right here that are intact, which we do with no retrace. But if you're looking at 1 minute and you're bearish, you could have seen a 1 minute market structure shift right here. And then we retrace into almost to 50%, then push down. I was pretty bearish. Like overall, my overall sentiment is kind of bearish because I just know that we're gonna grab it. Oh, well, we already took it. But I called this out yesterday that we want to come down here because I didn't want to see us be bullish on the higher time frame. I don't see a reason to, because let's look at market structure on the daily time frame. We're bearish on here because why? Down, up, down, up, down, up. I didn't want to see us get above this high. Well, I did want to see us get above this high because it's like we were close there, but like to match my overall daily bias, I didn't want to see us get above here because this is the swing high, and now we're breaking down again. So yeah, that's basically it for today. Hope you all enjoyed, learned something new. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll catch y'all on tomorrow.